Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into something truly special, something that sparks curiosity and creativity in a way few products can. The movie film Found Footage 16. This isn't just any film, it's a piece of history, a tangible fragment of the past, presented as vintage 16 film with magnetic sound. Imagine holding a reel that once captured moments, stories, and perhaps even secrets from decades ago. That's exactly what you get with this offering. The allure of found footage is undeniable. It's like unearthing a time capsule, a raw, unedited glimpse into a bygone era. For filmmakers, artists, or even just enthusiasts of vintage media, this presents an incredible opportunity. What narratives lie hidden within these frames? What sounds are preserved on that magnetic strip? The possibilities for creative interpretation are endless. The film itself comes on a reel with a diameter of 6x9/16 inches, a classic size that immediately evokes a sense of nostalgia. It's branded simply as 16mm, which speaks to its authenticity and straightforward purpose. This isn't some modern reproduction. It's the real deal, compatible with any camera or projector that supports the 16mm film format type. This broad compatibility means that whether you're looking to project it, digitize it, or even cut and splice it into a new artistic endeavor, you're well equipped. One of the most exciting features is the inclusion of magnetic sound. This isn't silent footage. It carries an audio track, adding another layer of depth and mystery to the experience. Will it be dialogue, ambient sounds, music, or something entirely unexpected? That's part of the adventure. The magnetic sound capability truly elevates this from a visual curiosity to a multi-sensory historical artifact. For collectors, this is a unique addition to any archive. For content creators, it's a goldmine of authentic, royalty-free vintage material that can add unparalleled character to projects. Think documentaries, experimental films, music videos, or even just a fascinating display piece. The UPC 703,508,590,1024 ensures you're getting a specific, identifiable product, adding to its legitimacy. In a world saturated with digital content, there's a profound beauty in the tactile nature of film. The grain, the imperfections, the very physical presence of this 16 reel connects us to a different time and a different way of seeing. It's more than just film. It's an invitation to explore, to imagine, and to create with a piece of history in your hands. This movie film Found Footage 16 is truly a remarkable find for anyone passionate about film and the stories it holds.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.